Thank you for visiting our channel. You can take anywhere from 4 to 6 potatoes, peel and shred them. You can take more potatoes if you want to make a bigger omelette and if you have a bigger frying pan. So we only need like about a tablespoon of oil and spread the shredded potatoes evenly on the frying pan. I add about 4 tablespoons of water so as to cook the potatoes well before we add the eggs. And after you add the potatoes, cover it and then check it for doneness. And once it's done, add about 4 eggs, add chili powder, tomatoes, green chili or bell pepper if you want. You don't have to make it spicy or you can make it spicier. It's all up to you. And then in the end, I add cheese to it. Add as much cheese or no cheese if you want. And then cover it and let it cook. Once it's cooked, you have to loosen the edges. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So once the corners are loose, transfer to a plate. So it's easier to transfer directly from the frying pan to the plate. This takes about 20 minutes. Enjoy your omelette.